out in the field today with J-Mar Fence from Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. And we're building some 6-foot high 2x4 fence. This is 2x4 woven wire from Bekaert Fencing, and we're driving 5 to 6 inch diameter, 10-foot length fence posts from Keystone Fence. And we're using a new machine today, and that is the Montana Mountain Lion. And this is a brand new machine from Montana Post Drivers. It is built on a Keystone track chassis, and it weighs about 9,000 pounds. It can extend out 18 inches, and it can drive up to 10-foot fence posts. You can put an extension on there to do up to 12-foot posts if you're doing orchard, vineyard, deer exclusion fencing, or solar security fence. But today we have it in the 10-foot setting, and we're driving some 10-foot posts here in the backyard to build a 6-foot tall fence in the backyard. And this new Mountain Lion is a little bit more stripped down than the Mountain Goat series that Montana Post Driver offers. And what that gives is a little bit more simplicity, a little bit more maneuverability, and lighter weight. And when we're in a backyard setting like this today, that lighter weight comes in real handy on the grass. And you'll see in some of the videos, we're not tearing up this turf at all. And we're able to get around, maneuver around these buildings, and build this backyard fence. So stay tuned as we go drive some fence posts. The Montana Mountain Lion is built on a Keystone 37 series crawler chassis. This track machine is extremely stable, allowing it to tackle a variety of terrain while being gentle on a backyard setting, which we're in right here. As you can see, we're maneuvering around and we're not tearing up the grass. We kept it very lightweight. This machine weighs in at 8,000 pounds with the counterweights attached. The machine is coming in at 9,000 pounds, and it side shifts out the side 18 inches, and you can control the entire machine right here from the operator station. You have a joystick which allows you to drive the machine around. You have another joystick which will allow all the movement of your post driving beam, and then you have your up and down for the hammer. So from the operator station right here, you can really sight in your line of posts to get a precision line driven with your fence posts.